Hello friends, today we are going to learn variable types in Python. First, let us learn what are the variables. Variables are nothing but reserved memory locations to store values. It means that when you create a variable, you reserve some space in the memory of computer. You can store integers, decimals, or characters in these variables. How to assign values to variables? It is simple. The equal sign is used to assign values to variables. The left side of the equal sign is the variable name and right side is the variable value. Let us take one example. Here, distance equal to 100. Distance is the variable name and 100 is the variable value. Similarly, name equal to Rama. Name is the variable name and Rama is the variable value. Similarly, age equal to 28. Age is the variable name and 28 is the variable value. Okay. Now let us see the example here. Open the ID. Python ID. Distance equal to 100. Here distance is the variable name and 100 is the variable value. We can now print distance. It means we are asking the variable value of distance. It gives the answer 100. Okay. Now, similarly, we will see another example here. Name equal to Rama. Here you can ask print name. That means you are asking the value of name. It is Rama. Okay. Now age equal to 28. Similarly, you can ask the value of age here. Print of age, that is equal to 28. Okay friends. Let's meet in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.